Most websites are developed with Chrome in mind without any regard for Firefox. Typically, a Firefox user will use something like User Agent Switcher to change the user agent to Chrome or Chrome-like browser. But you can actually set this in Firefox without having to use an extension such as this. To override the Firefox user agent, open the About config and type in General User Agent Override. Set this to string and hit the plus symbol. Here you need to put a user agent. Since most websites are expecting Chrome, simply type my user agent into Chrome and copy what you see here. And then paste the user agent into this box. Hit the check mark, and if I type my user agent into Firefox, we see we have Chrome 106 as our user agent. Please note that doing this will break the add-on site as it thinks you're now using Chrome. However, you can still download the file and install the add-ons manually. To remove, simply type General User Agent Override again, hit the trash symbol, and change this back to Boolean. And you're back to Firefox.